Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to personalize your Wattpad profile by adding a background picture. This is a simple way to make your profile stand out and reflect your personality. We will guide you through every part of the process. First, open the Wattpad app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and click on your current profile photo. Then, click on the Settings icon, which is also located at the top right. After that, navigate to Profile and Account Settings. After that, look for the option labeled Background Picture and click on it. You will then have the option to choose an image from your phone's gallery. Select the picture you want. Finally, go back to your profile to see the new background in place. Your Wattpad profile is now more visually appealing and personalized according to your style. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.